Ang ganda na quality ng camera. What cam is this, mom? For most of my videos, I always use my iPhone 14 Pro Max. However, you guys can expect that other than this camera, I will also be using this camera, which is my Osmo Pocket 3. I'm also using yung microphone ng DJI na naka-attach lang dun sa ilalim. So, if you guys would notice, maganda yung quality ng sound niya because I have this and it's attached to the camera itself. Para pag nag-vlog ako na ganyan, pak, sino ka dyan. So what I love about this camera whenever I use it is super handy siya. Hindi nakakailang na mag-vlog at the same time, okay na okay yung audio niya because naka-attach nga siya doon sa cam and pwede ko rin siyang palinawin like ganito yung tunog ng microphone pag nakadikit naman sa bibig ko. So I didn't get the creator combo. What I did was, I bought the Osmo Pocket 3 and then I also got the DJI Mic 2 separately para dalawa siyang microphone. On top of that, I also got this Osmo Pocket 3 magnetic mount na makakatulong sa akin pag gusto kong mag-vlog. Halimbawa, mamamasyal ako sa Japan next year. Kunwari lang naman yon. What if? So, pwede kong idikit-dikit na lang sa mga surface yung mount para laang mas maganda yung kuha. Lalo na yung mga B-rolls. I also tried it out gamit tong camera na to. One problem that I encountered is that if gamit ko itong camera na to at gamit ko yung microphone na naka-attach dito, hindi magkakasya yung mount dito sa area na to, which kinda sucks, but that's okay. They fully decided na I will just use the mount kapag kukuha ako ng B-roll, but overall, yung review ko dito sa Osmo Pocket 3 for the past couple of months that I have been using it to vlog is 1 million over 10. Now, kung hindi naman kayo mahilig mag-interview or feeling niyo hindi nyo kailangan ng dalawang mic, then I'd highly recommend na mag-creator combo na lang kayo kasi mas mura siya. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis na parang yung camera ko na na-follow kung saan ako pumunta. Bye!